In this video, we have given that g is equal to -1 plus 3 iota. Then we have to find the value of g square plus 2g plus 10. So we have to find the value of g square plus 2g plus 10, and it is equal to g square plus 2g, and 10 is equal to 1 plus 9, and g square plus 2g plus 1 will be g plus 1 whole square plus 9, and we have given that g is equal to -1 plus 3 iota. So g plus 1 will be equal to 3 iota. It is 3 iota square plus 9, and 3 iota square will be 9 iota square plus 9, and it is 9 times iota square is -1 plus 9, and it is -9 plus 9, that will be 0. So the correct option is option A.